Tanga Odoi obi abanaganiraho n'abanyamakuru ahambuga z'ekitebe kya NRM omuri Kyadondo orukuru byo kutera obururo mu kibiina kya NRM yashobora ngo ekibiina kya NRM batireho ebiragiro ebigumira hari za district ezibiremu obutabanguko ombwire bwo kutera akaruru ari kugira ngo emyanya egi harimo Mitoma hamwe na Sembabule.
What is the rationale of telling her to take her to
I'm generating consensus so that we see how to consensus.
Oguya agira ngo babahebero byo kutereramo akaruru ngo kandi baba batabasize kutera akaruru mbusinje baza kwemereza kutera akaruru myanyeji mpaka akaruru kabona kahwire.
Elections were disrupted because of disagreements between two camps. Our Commissioner, Ambassador Honorable Shinobe, did his best, but failed to convince them that the party needs leaders, not people who are quarreling. We have just met the leaders today, this morning, the vehicles you see driving out, and we have agreed that we shall have a meeting of the leaders on the 28th, which is Wednesday, here. We shall meet them here on 28th Wednesday to agree on the modus operandi. Also to tell them the powers of the commission, that is a commission that organizes elections, not individuals. Once we agree, we shall then have election in Sembabule on the 30th, Friday the 30th, May 2025. For avoidance of doubt and without fear of any contradiction, if that election fails to take off, even after meeting the leaders, we shall postpone it to June 2026, after the presidential election.
Dr. Tanga Odoi ashobora omuringo gw'akaruru akaba chairpersons kagenzireje district zona okwetorora ihanga ryona. Oguya ashobora ngo bazagarukamu urwo myanya ejo yona itabasize kutera ahabwe bizuba bitaro bumwe na bumwe ngo kandi abo bona abaragaruke kuremwa kwikirizana omukutera karura kan baza kutera karuro mwako guru kwija.
Ankole voted except we had confusion in Tungamo when we came to Secretary Finance. We had a bit of tension in Rubirizi and some disagreement in Shema. We voted in Mitoma for the chairperson. When we started the voting of vice chairperson, the chairperson who had been defeated then realized that he had been rigged. His results were voted. He had come second. We started voting the vice chair. When the vice chair line was going to be counted, he said people have been allowed to enter. Therefore, even my results, which had been declared, should be cancelled. But if people are allowed to enter during vice chairman, not yours, how does it affect the past result? So we are not going to vote anything. We are going to vote in Mitoma for other positions except the chairperson. We have already voted the chairman, and the current chairman lost. He abused us using all words in Nyankole, English, and Rutoro, but he did not remove meat from our bodies. We want to tell him to be a leader and accept defeat.
Ogu kandi yashobora ngo kutandika kwiha empapura ezo kwikirizibwa kuterwa karuru ako kwate bendera y'ekibiina kya NRM ahabwo mwishengero nkuza kutandika ebiro bibiri ebyo kwa mukaga bakome 2015 ebyo kwezo kwa mukaga.
All MP aspirants, all those who want to express interest for being members of parliament, as well as chairpersons LOC5, you will pick forms from the headquarters here starting on 2nd June 2025. The first passport to get a form is a bank slip that you have paid 3 million in the party account in the Centenary Bank.
Akachika kashobora ngo nkaza kuhurikiriza kwetombitwa kwabo bona abatarikiriza ingine ombyarjuro mu kutera karuru okuhwire. Bwire nibwo bumwe aha kitebe eki twashangaho bamwe abantu abatandikireho kwetombiitwa aha nshonga z'akaruura akahwire. Amakuru agagashakwa Ronald Ngabirano aha bwa Tayari West omuri Kampala.